Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the intense power struggle within Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF. Picture this: President Emerson Mnangagwa is off in China, and Vice President Kembo Mahadi is busy in Indonesia. That leaves only one very senior government official holding down the fort back home, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Now, why is Mnangagwa so confident that Chiwenga won't make any moves? Let's rewind a bit. You see, back in 2017, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga made a deal during the coup that ousted Robert Mugabe. The agreement was simple. Mnangagwa would serve 2 terms, then hand over the reins to Chiwenga. But politics being politics, things have gotten complicated. Mnangagwa's decision to go for a 3rd term has thrown a wrench in Chiwenga's plans. It's like promising your friend the last slice of pizza, only to grab it for yourself at the last second. Mnangagwa secured this move during the 2022 ZANU-PF Congress, leaving Chiwenga sidelined and postponing his presidential dreams to 2028. Chiwenga, despite facing health issues and losing key allies, isn't backing down. His faction is biding its time, waiting for the right moment to strike back. And then there's the ZANU-PF Women's League. They've thrown their hat into the ring, openly opposing Chiwenga's presidential aspirations. They're backing their chairperson, Mabel Chinomona, as a counter-candidate. This move not only isolates Chiwenga further, but also underscores Mnangagwa's strategic brilliance in consolidating power within the party. But wait, the plot thickens. In a surprising twist, Chiwenga has reconciled with business tycoon Tagwire. Remember Tagwire? He was a key figure in Mnangagwa's rise to power, but got sidelined along the way. Now, Tagwire is teaming up with Chiwenga, hoping to protect his business interests. This alliance, facilitated by a high-ranking military official, adds a new layer of complexity to the power struggle. This partnership could provide Chiwenga with the financial resources and political leverage he needs to challenge Mnangagwa. It's a bold move, and it highlights the fluid nature of power dynamics within ZANU-PF. The reunion of Chiwenga and Tagwire injects fresh energy into the succession battle and raises questions about the future of Zimbabwe's leadership. So, what's the takeaway here? Mnangagwa's confidence in Chiwenga might be a risky bet. The political landscape is shifting, alliances are forming and breaking, and the struggle for control is far from over. As we move closer to the 2028 elections, one thing is certain: Zimbabwe's political scene will remain a hotbed of intrigue and maneuvering. All right, folks, that's a wrap for today's deep dive into Zimbabwe's political chess game. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that keeps you in the loop. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.